wider and a huge panic. We're trying to make the 6 unit, but what I'm saying, trying to make the golden proportion. Okay, so to make here too. Alright. Here's lack of room. Still out. See? Yes. More. Okay. A little more close. Higher. I mean back. Okay, here a little bit too. A little bit. And then I'm going to decrease this. Trying to make the better shape. Here, I'm going to decrease. No room, so now. Now, to change the, so this linger is very important first, because the contour from linger inside the edge, and then I can add it here, see? Same thing, that one is first, I have to add a little more. I can cut it, what is this here? Freeform?
Yeah.
Right? And then I smooth, right? Same thing here, so we have to add here more. And then, yeah, as thin as possible. Here's lack of room. Alright, and here, same thing. Here's lack of room. More down, but I need a little bit of add here. Okay, so here down. Alright, so I have to, this is the issue, right? I got that, it's lack of room. So I can bring down here. Here too. So we're going to make a little zigzagging because lack of room. Not trying to grind in fascia. Here a little bit more, yep, that's good, that's what I need. So whenever you see side view, that's what I need. I'm going to shape the fascia as thin as possible. Like you say, your lack of room, I got it. So maybe I can add just a little bit, and then I can finish them up soon. Alright, this is kind of a little tricky because there's a abutment. You show the other side. So I have to move to different directions. Also, I have to move this one too, like here. So anyway, this is cut it. And then I have to move to the other directions. There, move here. There, the two part. Yep, that's what I need, you see? So here, better, move it. Okay, now here's a little bit issue as well. So I'm going to cut it different direction. For that. Got 3 bottom 4 case. This now is a printing. Underneath, alright. Alright, just came out, 2 tray. especially when we have a lack of space. So I can make a little bit zigzagging, which is natural looking, because the space is problem. In this case, I'm trying to use in the pink porcelain, but it's not necessary, because whenever I diagnose this case, you see the root exposure, which is natural. So I'm going to use the same as root exposure looking. Okay, so that's why I created with the dentine that area. It's more like 30-minute build-up time. Spread out. Then I like the translucency using the transhopper. Here. Then I can add a little bit more the side by side here. Created another tooth contour. Then as well as the dentine A4. Slightly you can use the opacious dentine. You see? Okay, so that one is more. I like the contour, 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 contour. Here is the lack of room, so let's see. Too sharp, then I can add with the enamel. Just a little bit far back. So I did not want to make it sharp. All right. It's exactly the mimic the adjacent teeth, and especially upper, just slightly touch lighter. This color will be good. The canine is so good. You see the color graduation compared to lateral, central. So which is here. That's indicated the different color in between the tooth. So central, lateral color is different. Canine color is a little grayish brown, whitish color. So lateral, and then we make the root contour and then finish that. Okay, so now we're going to cement the screw retained case though.